Oh, hi, Luke. Yes, the first thing we decided to do when we set up our mobility council was develop a line of effort to figure out what connectivity we actually needed across all the bases. Right now we're working on an LTE initiative to bring LTE to all the bases very quickly within like 2-3 years. And we're trying to do that in a partnership with the industry as well. So that's one of the things we're trying to do, because we can't really do operations at the flight line unless we have the right connectivity. And that's one of the things we're trying to do right now, is to move logistics operations, mobility maintenance operations out there right now. And we have an app to do that right now, and we're trying to progress with that. But that's one of the initiatives. The other initiative we have is, we already established, was GuestNet. GuestNet's basically an interface to the internet from every base, basically used for electronic flight books. That was the initial use case. However, there's other use cases that have come up now according to that. So as we move down the path, we're looking for enhanced connectivity everywhere on the base now, not only in the living quarters, but also at the flight lines.
I would imagine that you would have enhanced connectivity while in transit in the air as well, too, right? It would, yes. I think it's a big part of what's happening with the.
One of that is the the enhanced network, which is the mesh network that we've always talked about as having between all the airplanes, as well as the ground, as well as the satellites. We're working on that as well. That's a little more complex because of the way you have to do beam steering and everything else associated with attaching to each of the aircraft.
Sure,
but yes, we're working on that.
Securing that